Alright, we're down here at Trinity Beach. We've got a generator, we've got some DJ decks, a speaker, table. We're gonna go set up on the beach and just play some tunes on the beach. Because, you know, why not? Took me ages to park up.
Yeah,
eh?
I could see that.
What a champion, look at him go.
Gotta make sure those legs are secure, bud. Let's go.
Oh,
get it going, bud.
I was born and raised, I don't know where. She's from Florida, probably breathing cleaner air. You think I move like such a scum, that's why you always fucking run. Went to London, finally had the funds, felt like I was always on a run. I move fast anyway, but I love you any day.
just here at Lake Your Mama's house. Here, catch.
Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Loaded.
Yeah.
What's going on?
This whole week I've been a bit sick. Haven't eaten like a proper meal all week. Holy fuck. I'll leave a link below for Max's workout resume.
Fuck you.
I'll also leave his hairdresser down there as well. Always keeping him fresh.
You're a cunt, eh? I was this close to slamming some broad last week.
You're talking about someone's daughter there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Show some respect. Hey.
Have you been slamming broads or what? No.
Gets nervous around the Sony, eh?
Yeah, you must.
Puts on the pressure.
It's on the pressure.
You're
Totally built different, as you can fucking see.
Hang on, I haven't even done an intro yet. This is Ethan Burnett. He's just started his YouTube adventure. We have a bag full of bombs. We're gonna go blow them up. You know, just guys being blokes, really. Let me teach you something. Let me teach you something. Let's go. Holy fuck! Welcome back, you guys, to the channel. Go, fuck! Go, go, go! Hey, give me the can and the lighter. Ah! I've lost my eyebrows.
Yeah, let me have a go. I think it's just you.
Fuck, go.
No, don't.
If you're a bus driver,
Hold on, fucking nothing.
that's a good deal. Have you tried glass?
That's good.
Swing around front, let me inside. Playing my song into my sides. It hurts, I can't lie. Remember those times I fought to get out. I want to get out. Those pictures so clear, fade in my mind. You're leaving me here with ashes and fire. These people don't heal, these people don't feel, these people are real. So make me this deal. Won't you give me love, give me love, give me love, give me love when I'm gone.
Some fuckwit dropped their fucking drink on my carpet. Not happy, Jen. Clean up the drug evidence. Fucking hell, you were kidding. Look at that dust. Fucking.
I'm lucky, brother. Looking fresh as, you know, because I am. You don't get hangovers when you're fucking 19 and look this good.
That tongue hit the table.
Wow.
On, you gone? Swing it. Oh. We're getting the news. Oh.
Good, JJ?
Oh, struggle street. Oh.
What's up? We're here. We're at Tinaroo Dam. It's a local dam around these parts. We're gonna give this jet ski a bit of a spin. See what we can get up to. Should be fun. It's a day for it.
I can tell who's on the way out. 25 show, check the payout. I ain't going home, I'ma stay out. Motherfuckers hate you when they looking for a way out. I just sit back and let it play out. And she gon' let me hit it any day now. What you gonna say now? My ex-girl got a bait now, but she still let me stay now. I got a Dallas and an H-Town boo. Got a baddie out in Cape Town too. Whole gang eating steakhouse food. Get the check, I ain't checking what it came out to. I tell promoters I don't talk about the money. You know who they hand the envelope to. Big John got the cash and he been the go-to. Heard the beat, told Nicky put it in the Pro Tools. Got a fountain on the chain and it's indigo blue. Might fuck around and get a gold tooth. I'm a restaurant goer, never been a Whole Foods. She gon' listen to the song, say this shit the whole move. I'm in the mountains out west on the tour bus, texting the chick I used to mess with.
The reason why is because Bad Kevin popped back up. Bad Kevin was like, see, I was watching porn, I saw some shit, I tried it. She said, Kevin, let me tell you something. I don't care if you watch porn. And his name is John C. Don't do that. You probably just set that up. It's been there the whole time.
You just fucking set that up, cunt.
You can't see me.
She gon' let me hit it any day now. What you gonna say now?